My name is Kailas and today we start with AutoCAD tutorial, and this is based on AutoCAD 3D with material. So welcome to Gemini architecture. Let's start with the AutoCAD tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please like and share the video and also subscribe our YouTube channel, that is Gemini architecture, and please subscribe if you like our video. And this is our website, that is Gemini architecture. And these are the courses for AutoCAD, Photoshop, Dialect, CDS Max, Rhinoceros, V-Ray, Revit architecture, and lot of courses are there. Okay, let's start with AutoCAD tutorial.
Hello friends, today we learn AutoCAD 3D in AutoCAD. Hello friends, today we learn AutoCAD 3D. First we learn how to use the extrude command in AutoCAD. See, this is a stair elevation. We use extrude command and go direct for the extrude. Select object and give the length of the stair. To give a value for 200. See, it's make in a 3D view. Shaded. If you put material, to use a material command. There is lots of material. You choose it. We choose concrete material. Type it concrete. Double click. See, we change it different type of material. So friend, you know the how to use extrude command in AutoCAD. Next command we have to learn sweep. This is a figure and we make a one object. Use a sweep command. Go direct way, sweep. Select an object. Sweep command, select an object and give path. See? This is a sweep command. Extrude. Go top view, shaded, realistic, go top view, isometric, extrude, move, clear. Second is a rotate, revolve command. Select object, and give the degree of the 360. See, this is a match property. Use a match property, select and select the base. Use different type of texture. See, use a match property again. This is a boss. We use revolve command to make this boss. Front view. This is a front view. Staircase front view. And this is a front view. Revolve. .360. Go isometric view. See, this is a revolve command. Use another command. Is a use a loft command. Select the same body, press enter. Glass. Metallic, aluminium. Clear? We use again extrude command for this object. Press enter. Use extrude command again. Select object and they give value for the 20. We extrude again. Value command is 50. Extrude command again and they give value for 10, 20. We use different command for the object. Clear? Top view. isometric view. We use this object, we can build up. Select extrude command, height, use a separate command, see, top view, isometric view. Now friends, we learn extrude command, loft command, revolve command, sweep command and press pull command. Hope you enjoy these commands. Thank you friends. We will make a new video as soon.